Kone kaunti ya Kiambu nĩ magĩtabanĩtie mĩrũrũngano magĩtetia wagi wa ũtungata wa thitima kwa ihinda iraya. Kũringana na Aikari maugĩte atĩ kwa mĩeri ĩrĩ rĩu magĩkoretwo magĩikara nduma-inĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũgĩkoretwo ũgĩthararia na makĩria biacara oro ũndũ ũmwe na ũrutĩre wa wĩra mwena ũyũ, makiuga atĩ ona arutwo na makĩria a cukuru wa St Paul's nĩ magĩkoretwo makĩgomerwo na njĩra nene kana makĩremwo gũthiĩ na mbere na mathomo mao na njĩra yagĩrĩire.
Aikari a wadi ya ngecha-limuru nĩ meyumĩrĩtie kũrũrũngana nĩ kĩrĩa moigĩte nĩ kwaga wa thitima mĩeri 3. Aikari acio moigĩte thengia kuria kambuni ya utambia wa thitima KPLC kũmacokeria thitima matigana kũhingĩrio wendi wao.
Wakishiagi nafanya kazi ya posho mill, na kwa miezi 2 sasa tumekuwa tukisumbuka na stima, na wanakuja wanarudisha transformer within no time inachomeka tena, wanasema imeungua. Tukipiga simu kwa ofisi wanasema ati hii transformer wanataka kujaribu kama ni kuungua imeungua ama haiwezi fanya ama inaweza endelea na kazi. Wanasema wanagoja approve. Tumegojea, tumewapigia simu hawashiki. Kazi zetu zimesimama zote. Huku kuna masaiba, kuna watu wa supermarket, kuna masaloon, kuna watu wa tiba wenye wanahitajiki kufanya kazi na stima, na kazi ya kila mtu imesimama.
Mwana arĩa mahutĩtio hanene nĩ wagi wa thitima nĩ thukuru wa St Paul, ahũri biashara na arĩmi a ng'ombe cia iria, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie hathara nene na ũhauku wa ũgitĩri gĩcigo kĩu.
Since stima zipotea hapa, kumekuwa na lot of insecurity kwa sisi students. Sana jana nimepita hapa hivi chini nikitembea hapa Santana. Jana nikipita hapo tu friend of mine amepoteza simu, kunyang'anywa juu ya kukosa stima. Saa hizi most of us tunafanyanga studies online. Hatuna stima, saa hizi hatuwezi fanya studies zetu online. Alafu hii areas for the past 2 weeks kumekuwa na cases za fisi. Saa hizi hatuwezi tembea huku juu ati hakuna lights. At least wakati kulikuwa na lights tulikuwa tunaweza tembea hapa usiku.
One of the business persons over here, I run a supermarket called Shoppers Pride Supermarket. I've employed like 100 workers, and at the moment I've had to lay down like 50 of them. I've been forced to remain with 50% because I cannot be able to sustain them. Some of the ones that I've been able to sustain are the ones that you can see over here, because I'm really going through expensive charges to be able to install my generator and also to be able to fix my electricity bills and every other thing. So my point is that I would want this Kenya Power people to look at our area, because I can see our area, the population has increased because of our university over here. Now we don't have enough power. We don't have enough. We have so many, what do we call them, meters. We have so many meters because the population has increased. But unfortunately, we only have one transformer here.
Mũingĩ ũcio ũrĩa ũihũrĩtwo nĩ matũkũya ugĩte nĩ ũkũhanda cira igoti-inĩ nĩguo kambuni ĩyo kuoerwo makinya ma kĩwatho.
Toka hapa utatupata sisi kama wasimamizi, tutaenda kotini ndio hawa watu warudishiwe hasara ambayo wameendelea nayo. Kama sio hivyo, nafikiri tutaenda na tuseme kama ni wale wasimamizi wa hii area ya Limuru, kama wako kwa ofisi zao, lazima tutafanya hiyo communication na tuwaambie ile hasara wananchi wameenda hapa katika hii eneo lazima warudishiwe.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Wanjiku.
Nĩ tondũ wa riboti ĩyo njega na tũgũkĩhoka atĩ ona mũingĩ ũyũ wa itũra rĩrĩ rĩa Ngecha nĩ magĩkorwo thĩna wao makĩehererwo nĩ ndumanu. Tũgĩtigane na yo nginyagia Kirinyaga, na nĩ atĩ arĩmi kaunti